This is the tutorial for scissors. For this one, I want you to keep your hands under your hip. From here, bring your heels up 5 inches from the ground. Keep your legs straight. Two versions. Up here would be less challenging than down here. The closer to the ground, the more challenging it's going to be. The most common mistakes are that we lift our head. Make sure that your head is always touching the ground. When you lift your head, you might put tension in your neck instead in your abdominals. In this specific exercise, I want you to concentrate in the lower section of your abdomen. The second most common mistake is that instead of keeping your legs straight, we bend knees and we finish doing this type of scissors. This is not the right one. The right one is to keep your legs straight and do short kicks, okay? Let's go for 20 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, that was the tutorial for scissors.